Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I just want to introduce you to a new feature that TikTok is slowly rolling out called the library feature. And what this is going to allow you to do, they've partnered up with the GIF service Giphy, and what you'll be able to do is put GIFs into your TikTok videos. Now I haven't had this rolled out on my account just yet because it is a slow rollout. Things can take some time when it comes to TikTok rollouts, but all you would need to do if you have the feature and you want to use it, just make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. And then what you want to do, it says here you launch the TikTok by opening the camera. Open the camera once you've launched TikTok, and then in the sidebar on the right hand side where you have all the different icons, you'll see it says a library icon. Once in the library, use the search bar to find what you're looking for, so that would be a specific GIF. When you've selected what you want to use, trim the clip to the length you want and then return to the shoot page. So a simple process on how to use it, but I think it's going to allow people to make much more interesting TikToks with the help. And you can see a video here of someone using it. If you want to have a look at this video, I will link this article in the description down below. But that's the new update of library on TikTok. When it launches for me, I will be doing more videos on it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.